Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we show you how to use Perplexity AI, so let's start. Perplexity AI is artificial intelligence that helps you to answer questions and give you a better organized answer and also a specific answer to that question. So it's better, I think, than Google. So first you have to go to the page or Perplexity, just try on Google and then just click and go to the main page. Here you have to start or join, or you can continue with your Google account. So just click here and you can select the account. In this case I want this one. Just continue, and well, answers that you can trust. It gives you the introduction for using Perplexity, and what you can see here, answers that are accurate and always cite citation in every response and get a conversation going with related questions. So you click continue. This is completely free if you want. You can unlimited free searches, 3 pro searches per day, fast free AI model, upload 3 files per day, and well, this is for professional, and this is with amount monthly, $20. So you can do everything that says here. So well, if you want to ignore it, just escape, and well, here is introduction for your phone. If you want to use it, just click on download the app on App Store or Google Play Store, or introduce the IQR code. So let's finish this if you don't mind it, and well, here is the main page. So here you can write anything you want to ask. For example, if you want to know if you are sick or ill for something, just write, how do I know that I have flu? Okay, so just write it and send enter, then Perplexity will answer you. So to determine if you have flu, look these common symptoms and give you these symptoms that could be flu. So sudden onset, high fever, body ache, fatigue, cough and sore throat, headache, chills and sweat. So it says if you experience these symptoms, it's likely you have the flu. However, if you're unsure or if the symptoms worsen, it's advisable to consult a healthcare provider. So what do you do if you have flu symptoms? So just rest, hydrate, medication, consult a doctor. So give you a better answer and give you tips similar to ChatGPT, but well, the answer is better and complete, and give you relate questions that you can click here. For example, if you are interested in what are the first signs of the flu, just click here on the plus symbol, and this give you the answer as you see here, and give you some pictures that you can look in, or videos, or generate images. So you can check here. So as I told you, it's a better AI for me, because ChatGPT is a little bit different. They don't give you all information, so depending on what you're looking for. Also, well, in the left side you have Discover, this is news, etc., spaces, and well, library. So in the library you will looking like the history of all the questions that you have been asked to the Perplexity. So that's how you can do it. As you see, it's very easy to use. Just you have to check very well the question, the answers, and well, whatever you want to ask, you can ask the Perplexity. So guys, I hope this video works for you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and give thumb up to this video.